Peace, y'all. June 3rd, phase 4. I got, some places have 2 coats of paint. Most of it's really just 1 coat of paint. My voice is gone. I don't know what happened. I had to put my head under the faucet a couple times today. It got hot, man, out in the sun. And it seems to have affected my voice. I feel like I'm losing my voice. Yeah, it was, I drank a ton of water. Even had a protein shake and a little apple juice, a little sugar, and plenty of water. But I don't know, man. That was the hardest. But today was the worst. That was worse than the screws. That was worse than I had all the new wood being white or uncolored. I got an inch and a quarter, inch and a half nap roller, thinking it's gonna go down in the cracks too, right? Because it's gonna hold a lot of paint. Wasn't the case, so I had to brush the gaps on all that wood, and that, my friends, was a backbreaker. I needed a little stool with wheels on it or something. And we literally squeaked it out. I painted the top of the rail all the way, here and here, nothing up on the pool. None of the fencing or the railing, just the top. And then in between most of the boards, and then rolled some paint on it. And Sherry's stopping at the Home Depot on the way home to get a couple more gallons, because we still have to do the pool deck up there. Just put paint on it. We're not doing any wood up there. And this has got to have a second coat, and we're going to get rain and thunderstorm tomorrow. So I hope it doesn't screw it up. I mean, it is. You can walk on it right now. It's pretty dry. As you can see, you can see some tennis shoe prints out there. That's one of the first areas I painted. This area here, this little section here, just to see what it was going to look like. After I cut it all in, and then I realized the paint's so close to being the same color, it didn't matter if I bumped into something. You're not going to be able to tell. See, it's probably an hour ago that this section here leading to the gate was the last bit that I did. All the way from that pole to the house. This whole section here was the last of it to get done. So it looks pretty good. I mean, polish the turd, right? I mean, and it's the right color to be a turd. So yeah, we'll wait out the rain tomorrow. It gives us a day to heal and rest and get some laundry done. I mean, I got some stuff I'm wearing here is probably 15 years old, man. This is my old stuff. I mean, I got clothes. Don't get me wrong. I got way too much clothes, too many clothes. But my bin is full, and I'm already off my cycle. Right? Didn't get to work on my kart yet. It's going to be rough. It's going to be rough because if it rains Thursday as well, I told the wife I'd rather have the guy come this weekend and put the water in the pool, which means we got to suck all the crap off the top and then get the cover off. Get the pump down, put the filter together, hook it all up, hook the hoses up, because once the water gets to a certain level, it'll start pissing out, right? So that's not a big deal. I can get the filter on while the water's siphoning off. Not a big deal. We can put the second coat on here at any time when it's going to be dry. So all the furniture's down there. If she'd have got home when I was getting done about 6:30, I think, what time is it now? 6:42. I just came in. I mean, I had packed everything up and put it all away. If she'd been home at 6:30, I'd have just kept going. I'd have just put the second coat on. But I'm spent. I'm hurting. So I'm going to kick back, put my feet up, turn the TV on, get me some fluids, and phase 4 out the door in the can. I had enough of this deck, man. I'm really looking forward to my 4-day weekend next weekend at Mid-Ohio. Even if I don't, I mean, the thing could blow itself sky high and I'll still, it doesn't matter. It doesn't, it's all bliss, right? It'll get better. I'm promising you, because Jesus made us a promise. He said, where I go, you can't come, but I'm going to prepare a place for you. And if it wasn't true, I wouldn't tell you that. That's what he said. And I will come when it's done, I will come back for you. So he's coming. He said he's coming. Get ready. Things are looking pretty crazy out there. Get on the computer. Don't listen to CNN, MSNBC, don't listen to any mainstream nothing. Go find the information yourself. And find it from the source. Listen to folks taking videos with their telephone, like you and me, in Russia to tell you what's going on there. In Ukraine to tell you what's going on there. Don't listen to any of this BS. Don't listen to nobody on mainstream news media at all. Because they're all lying to you. Hang in there. Hang in there, because he is coming, and it's going to get better. Godspeed, God bless. I'm praying for you. Hang in there, y'all. Poop deck. That's what I'm going to call it. The brown poop deck.